G'day guys and welcome to the channel. I thought I'd kick things off with a little short and sweet welcome video and give you guys a bit of a brief rundown as to what you can expect to see here on my channel. A little bit about me. I'm a qualified spray painter by trade and I run my own restoration shop. So a lot of my videos are going to be based around that, you know, paint, body, touch-ups, resprays, restorations, all that good stuff. So if these are the type of videos that you like watching, then I strongly recommend that you subscribe because I've got plenty of content to come. I've got a shed full of cars, so I've got a lot of videos to make. So I'm not planning on the channel being a dedicated how-to channel, but if that's something that you guys want to see, then I'm more than happy to go into as much or as little detail as you guys want. At the end of the day, it's all about you guys, and I want to put out videos that you want to watch and you enjoy. So not only paint and body, I've got a couple of personal projects as well that I'm going to be building. I've got a white VL Commodore behind me here. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but that's a personal project that I'm going to be building. So that's going to get paint, body, engine, box, interior, the whole lot. So I'm planning on doing a bit of a build series on that car. I've got a yellow VN Commodore as well that I've got to get back on the road, so I'm planning on doing a little minor build series on that as I tidy that car up and get that back on the road, as well as the jobs that I have in the shop here as well. So this VL Commodore is in for a respray, so there's going to be videos coming on that car as I get that car done. I've got a 1963 EH Holden here that is in for a restoration. So if you're a do-it-yourselfer and maybe you want a bit of insight as to how things are done, there's going to be videos coming, and I'm going to try and make them as obviously as entertaining as I can, but also to help you guys out as well. So if you want to jump in the shed on the weekend and build your own car, hopefully this channel is going to be able to, you know, help you learn a few things to have a crack and do things the right way on your own car. I've also got a XC Falcon Ute that I'm doing a restoration on, bare metal respray. So there'll be videos coming on that, as well as any other little jobs that come through the shop. I'm happy to do a video on those as well. So yeah, short and sweet guys. I just wanted to put together a little welcome video to kick it off. So if this is something that you're going to be interested in watching, which if you're a car guy, I think you are, I strongly recommend that you subscribe. Leave me a like, and as I put out new videos, if there's any questions or anything that you guys want to know, please leave me a comment. I will answer every single comment that's put on here. So until the next one, I'll leave it at that. Cheers guys, I'll see you next time.